SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis draws the critical strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, SWOT, from the strategic audit. The audit contains a wealth of data of differing importance and reliability. SWOT analysis distills these data to show the critical items from the internal and external audits. The strengths and weaknesses in the SWOT analysis do not list all features of a company, but only those relating to critical success factors. A list that is too long betrays a lack of focus and an inability to discriminate what is important. The strengths or weaknesses are relative, not absolute. It is nice to be good at something, but it can be a weakness if the competition is stronger. Opportunities. Opportunities in SWOT result from your existing strengths and weaknesses, along with any external initiatives that will put you in a stronger, competitive position. These could be anything from weaknesses that you'd like to improve or areas that weren't identified in the first two phases of your analysis. Threats. Threats in SWOT are areas with the potential to cause problems. Different from weaknesses, threats are external and out of your control. This can include anything from a global pandemic to a change in the competitive landscape.